Today we've got a Medeco Biaxial. This is a Mogul cylinder. Moguls are very large compared to other cylinders. They're usually used in jails or places like that. Here's the key. It's a pretty rough bitting. With a Medeco you have to raise and then rotate the pins at the same time, so it makes it a little complicated. It's got a sidebar that goes in when the pins are properly rotated. Here we go, we'll pick it with this. The original idea of a Mogul was that if the keyway was very large and the pins were very large, that standard picks wouldn't work on it. It would be too floppy, and they're used in jails so that if someone did make picks large enough to work on it, it would be very obvious. You could see them. There it is picked. Oh, my cam's hitting the back. There's take it apart for you. The Medeco doesn't use the larger keyway and the large pins. They assume that they're secure enough already with the sidebar and rotating the pins and all that. But that was the original intent for Mogul cylinders. Here's the key I showed you earlier. Sorry, I forgot to make it work before, but I'll show it working right now if I can get it in there. It's hard to do in front of a camera. Okay, there's all 6 pins and the sidebar. This is the little front plate. That's what the keyway looks like. It's got the notches that slide in this. If I can get it right. There we go. See? Anyway, here's the sidebar. With its springs. And those little pegs fall down into the notches on the pins. I'll show you the notches later. Okay. There's the plug where the sidebar goes in. It's right there. And these notches back here prevent the pins from rotating all the way around. The pins only rotate 20 degrees forward or 20 degrees backward. This little chunk here fits down in that notch I showed you a minute ago. These grooves you can see here, the big groove here. Focus, camera. If I just zoom, how about that? There we go. This groove is for the sidebar. Let's see if there's any false grooves here. Yeah, see that notch right there? That's like a false groove. The sidebar will fall in that and prevent would-be pickers from picking it properly. False groove, real groove. There doesn't seem to be any security driver pins. Oh shit, I'm still zoomed in. There doesn't seem to be any security driver pins. They're all just standard. Ooh, but they are ARX. That's cool. I didn't know that. Oh no, they're not. I was just wrong. An ARX pin has a capped bottom chunk here because there's a way to decode it by finding this little notch. But I didn't use that tool. Anyway. One. Whoa. Two. Three. They're weighted drivers, so I'm trying to keep them in order. 4. 5. And here's one spool. And the other spool. Oh crap, there goes all the springs. There you go, that's the Medeco Mogul gutted. In all of its glory. It's got 2 different size spool pins for mushroom pins. A gigantic plug or housing. Plug front, sidebar. There you go. And the keys. Thanks for watching.